Hey guys, welcome back to Kids Are Great Cooks. Today I'm going to show you how to make alphabet soup. In my house, we have a bunch of different varieties of pasta shapes. For example, there are melon seed shaped pastas, there are tiny spaghettis, and there are also shells. But today I'm going to show you how to make alphabets.
First, we are going to cut off a chunk of our onion. Don't make it too big because we really don't need that much. Now we are going to cut our 2 tomatoes. Always remember to cut the top of the tomato where the stem was cut off. Now we are going to cut them into fourths. I find it helpful when you cut off the top of your tomato and you use the flat surface on your cutting board, and that helps it not move. Don't forget to also peel your onion. Now put all the onion and all of the tomato in your blender. A very important step is to strain the tomato juice. You can put this over the cup you used to measure your water or a new bowl. Be careful, this can get a little heavy. Use a spoon to flatten out the rest and make sure all of the bits get into the bottom of your container. Even once it gets super thick, you might want to do it a few more times because there still is a lot more juice left. pan here is set to low. First, we are going to add our olive oil. My pan is now at medium. Now we're going to put a whole pack of this lettuce soup in. Now we're going to stir it a bit. You want to make sure all of your dried pasta has olive oil touching it. Eventually, it's going to start to turn brown just a bit. The stirring will take about 2 minutes. When you add the water in, it is going to make a big fuss, so you might get an adult to help you. We're going to add 4 cups of water and our tomato juice. Now we're going to add a teaspoon of chicken bouillon and a teaspoon of salt. When you add in a teaspoon of the chicken bouillon, you want to make sure you do it with a teaspoon spoon, because then when you stir it, the water helps the chicken bouillon get off the spoon and dissolve, and it also helps it mix. We're going to wait for it to boil. It'll take about 3 minutes to boil. That took about 3 minutes to boil. Now we're going to put a lid on the top of our pan for about 12 minutes. We are also going to turn it to low. It's been about 12 minutes and now it's ready to taste. Now it's ready, let's give it a taste. That was really good. I really hope you guys try it.